another video. And today we are going to make a foam play button. We have foam and scissors. You can spray paint it any color, but I'm just going to keep it regular foam. So I'm going to start with the hard part, this thing. Let's see. Yeah, that's my other one.
I fixed the problem.
Huh. Hey, are you even recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay. I was like, why aren't you
He has his
recording?
own camera guy that has his own YouTube channel. He's doing this for him because he loves him. So he is currently making a foam
Yeah,
play button.
my brother is recording, aka Duke just got real.
Okay.
Eh.
Yeah. What was it? Like, only do this if you have 10 subscribers, 20. What was it?
10.
10. I'm doing this when I have 100. 96? Yeah, 96.
You already have 93.
I'm pretty sure I have 96. Oh well.
93.
He's using blah, blah, blah. I'm horrible at talking. I'm creating my own foam creations. We have this very long piece of foam. So it's pretty simple. What you want to do for the triangle is take the scissors and go like that, pretty much. Yeah, do it on the other side. So go like that. And that's what you want to do. And then take out the foam from there. And depending on how well you did it, you should have a pretty decent triangle.
Yeah, it's
Unless he cuts it really small. Because that's what he did.
My other one worked out perfectly.
It did.
Let's see.
So you just want to cut random things in here, right?
Yeah.
But it's more like the diamond play button than anything. Because just a regular play button is just the play button. It's just a triangle in it. This is adding a little bit more. It's a diamond play button. 100 subs. It's squishy. Uh-oh, I ruined it. Oh, wait! I didn't! Okay. So you pretty much just want to... Yeah, he messed up that side. So you just want
I
to...
messed up everything.
So pretty much you just want to cut in random places. And you
yeah.
got it. And he threw it out.
Okay,
well, that tutorial went horribly, but pretty
Yeah.
much you just want to cut it wherever, pretty much.
Let me make
Random cuts. No, Nathan, don't do that. But, yeah, it should turn out somewhat like this. Cut a pretty decent triangle in there. Like that.
I got another piece.
And then, stop wasting the foam! It's
know.
mine anyway! And then, you should get something like a diamond play button, except almost as big as your hand. Almost big as your hand. Squishy, like a stress reliever. And that's pretty much all you want to do. He's making another one right now. But, Nate, I don't know how you end your videos. So, however you do that, do it right now.
So, bye.
You just say bye?
Bye.
Okay then.
Well,
bye. Oh.
I don't really say anything in my Roblox videos, but
Yeah, because you
Bye.
can't talk in your Roblox videos. Okay.
yeah, but I can type.
I will see you all later, because I am Doja's got real. Oh, God.
This is going on my channel.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's over, isn't it? Yes.